Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and this is the second part of lesson 6.2. Solve each system. I'm here. Solve each system using substitution. Check your answer. Okay, I will not check my answer. I know my answer is correct, and I know my students know that x and y, the value of x and y, or the solution that make the system correct or true. Okay, that means it's work in the first equation and make it true, and work with the second equation and make it true if you replace the values by the letters or the variables. In the first in the first part we find out how to find the solution for 11 and 12. Okay, good. And what I have to tell you here, must to know that the first equation here, x plus y equal 8. Okay, the second one, it is written in subject of y. That means it is y equal. Okay, y equal. Yes, and see here, y equal what? X plus 3. So he give you one equation of them, okay, subject in y. That means y equal x plus 3. Here y equal also x plus 3. Here y equal 3x. Go down here in 14. He give you one equation. Okay, the second one here, the 14 is different, it is a little bit different, but one of them has y equal y minus x. Okay, so one equation of the system, okay, written in subject of y, and this make it easy. Here y equal negative 2x plus 6, and because of that he let you to substitute the y instead of the y in the second equation here, for example, okay, and do the calculations that you know. Okay, but and also here he give you the subject of y equal what? Have x minus 4. So you go and put it, the value of y, you put it in the second value here, okay, and replace it by have x minus 4 and do the calculation that you know in part 1. Okay, till 16 you have to learn how to replace directly the value of y, but in 17 here I will start the second part with 17, my dear student. In the first equation, y equal negative 2x equal 3. And in the second equation, it is 3x negative 2y equal 5. So here, he tried to delay me, or tried to put me back one step. He stopped to give me one equation at least, okay, one equation subject in y, yes, and he left this mission for you. So what I have to do, teacher, first of all, listen to me. I will start with 17. The first equation is y negative 2x equal 3, and the second equation is 3x minus 2y equal 5. I just rewrite the system here, okay? So I will start from here. As I said before, my dear student, every time he tried to give you one equation subject in y, for example, but this time he let you to do this step. How, teacher? You have to select one of the equation and write it in subject of y, and or x, it is okay, doesn't matter. Okay, but here, because I have one equation, the first equation, it is y only. There is no any coefficient in front of y. As you see, it is y without any coefficient. Because of that, I just move this negative 2x and make the y alone, and don't miss or forget to opposite the sign. Now the y alone and happy, y equal 3 plus 2x. So what we did here, we write what we have extra here. We write the y or the first equation in subject of y. So he let me this the mission. So he give me one more step I have to do it before I start substitution. Okay. Okay, so now y equal 3 plus 2x. So I replace the y here. Let me replace the y here. I remove the y here and write 3x plus 2 instead of it. So I will write it here, but don't forget the parentheses. So 3 plus 2x, and to make the space, okay, let me rewrite it again here like this. I will do it again, my dear student. Y equal 5. It was like this. Okay, I will do in slow motion again. I remove the y and throw it and bring this thing here. Okay, I will rewrite it here. Okay, which is 3 plus 2x. So I replace the y by its value, which is 3 plus 2x. And you know the rest, I think, yes? You have to break the parentheses as the first step. Now, here, some student will fall down in a common mistake. Okay, see here, we have 2. They will multiply 2 by 3, and they will multiply the 2 by 2x, but he forget that it is not 2 here, it is negative 2. Don't miss that. This is the mistake. So I will rewrite 3x again. I put this down, and I will use Ali story, which is negative 2 multiplied 3 equal negative 6, and negative 2 multiplied 2x here, it is negative 4x equal 5. Okay, my dear student, so I have this here. Now I have to combine the like terms. I have 3x here and negative 4x here. Okay, and I have to throw this because it has no x. I will throw it here and change its sign. It will be plus, and 3 in my pocket, and 4 for the grocery guy. It is negative x or 1x. I can write like this, equal 11. Okay, my dear student, and that means x equal negative 11. So this is the first value, which is x. Now I'm trying to find y. As you see, y equal what? 3 plus 2x. Yes, I replace the x by, I will write it here again, y equal 3 plus 2x. So I remove the x and bring the negative 11, the actual negative 11, and do my calculation. I do the multiplication before the plus. It is negative 22 plus 3, like this. So that's me. In pocket I have Yes, I have 3. And the grocery guy wanted from me 22. That's mean the grocery guy still wanted from me 19. That's mean negative 19. So the answer is negative 19 and negative 11. How I can write it? Like this. Because it is x and y, I will write it like this. What is the x? Bravo. This is x. So this is negative 11. And what is the y? This is the y. It is negative 19. Okay, my dear student. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part.